Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a new question of the LeetCode 1700. Number of students unable to eat lunch. This is the today's problem of 8 April. So in this question we have we have one stack and one queue. The sandwich and the student. The sandwiches are stored in stack of 0 and 1. 0 represent circular and 1 represent square sandwich. And each student has their own preferences of the type of sandwich they want to eat. And the student are stored in queue. So the question says that if the top of the student wants the top of the sandwich, it can take it, or else it can go back of the queue. Means the student are student queue. So if student zero mean one want to take sandwich zero mean zero, so it does not match the preference. So student one we will take out one from the queue and store in the back of the queue. And again, second, by making the line this, the student make from this line make to this. And again, the 0 and the 1, the preference of the student does not match, so it will came out and is begin in the last of the queue. So if the student is 0, means it want the circular sandwich, so it can take it, and we will remove the 0th element of the sandwich and the student also. So if now in the case we have this, so again the student one circular but sandwich is square, so we take down the that student, and after this we a student one is square and the sandwich is square. We will take out the bot. As similarly we have to give the those student who are unable to eat, mean their preference does not meet. So the method of solving the question is using stack and array, and it is easy question. So firstly, I have solved using the question using stack array directly, but I have having problem with the index out of range because I am comparing direct. I am using a for loop for the length of the student, and I am directly comparing the student I equal to sandwich row I. But I have to check only sandwich of 0. So that's my issue. So in this question, we are using student 0, and we are using another. This index is taking care of the student, and we are using a while loop. If the student index is len of student, mean it is 0 is definitely less than, then we are comparing the top element of student and the top element of the sandwich. If they are equal, mean their demand satisfied successfully. We are popping the both indexed both element from the stack or array, stack or queue, and we are countering the student index reset index to 0. Mean the mm, whole line is changed na, so we have to reset the counter again, or else we have to increment the student index by 1. This state if the student index is equal to len of student, means for every student there is no uh, satisfactory sandwich in the sandwich stack, and we have to return the len of student those who are unable to take the sandwich. I am going to submit it. Oh, so my submission has successfully executed. Thank you.